Good morning, folks, and welcome to another hunting episode. It's January 30th. Right now it's 6:41. I'm doing a morning hunt, hog hunt this morning, and see if I can get hog number 23. I wasn't going to be out here this weekend. I wasn't feeling good, but the doctor released me and I'm good to go, so I decided to come out here and do a morning hunt. I'm gonna do an evening hunt this evening, another hunt in Sunday morning, and then I'll head back home. Right, I am actually at the ground blind, the new area. I'm gonna leave that area quiet, and I got the hogs coming in, so next month, Ray and I are going to do a hog hunt there. We got the hogs coming in, so it's going to be a successful hunt for Ray and I. All right, folks, I'll be right back with an update and see what happens this morning. If you're new, subscribe today and turn on the notification bell. I'll be right back right after this. Hello, folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventure. Well, folks, it is 8:14. I cannot believe I haven't seen anything this morning. Normally I see a whole bunch of does, bucks, deer activity. Not this morning. It might be because it's so windy. That's very strange. Anyway, I am going to hunt until 9. I'm going to give it till 9, see if the hog number 23 shows up. But it's not looking good. I've never had any success at this area this late this late during the day. So yeah, I made the trip up here, so we're gonna the new area, we're going to get the legs for the deer blind, and we've got a 10-foot stand for that blind, so I'm gonna do that today. All right, folks, I'll be right back. I'll turn everything back on if something shows up. All right, folks, I'll be right back. All right, folks, this is the continuation hog hunt. I didn't see nothing this morning, so I'm just going to continue with this video, and let's see what happens tonight. I left the ground. Where I was out this morning, I call that the ground blind. I got a deer blind on a trailer, and I can move that anywhere I want. But this evening I am in the redneck blind. This is on a 10-foot stand. It's very, very windy. So it is so bad, it's so windy that you can actually, when you look out in the distance, you can actually see the dust. So it's very dusty. Oh, I guess what's that you can call that. So there's a lot of pollution in the air. So man, the wind is very, very strong. So I'm hoping that the wind will die down. Right now it's 3:13, and hopefully around 5 or 5:30, once we get closer to the sunset, hopefully that the wind will settle down some. I do have a feeder to my left It's about 25 yards, and then I got a feeder to in front of me. It's approximately 200 yards. All right, folks, I'll be right back with an update. I'm looking for hog number 23. All right, folks, I'll be right back. Well, folks, it is 5:48. It is so, the sky is so dirty, dusty, and the wind's been blowing so hard today. You can almost see the dust. It's so bad. Yeah, earlier at 5 o'clock I had 2 bucks and a doe with a little fawn at that feeder right there, the 200-yard feeder. They moved over here, and they weren't out here very long, and they took off. I am waiting for hog number 23. That's what I'm hunting tonight. I'm gonna show you the photos right here, or the videos of some hogs that have been showing up to that feeder right there. It's a big old sow. That's the one I'm looking for tonight. That one right there. Alright, folks, I'll be right back. I believe I'm going to hunt until about 10 p.m. tonight. Alright, folks, I'll be right back. Right now it's the perfect time for a thumbs up. It's 6:18, and I got some more deer activity. Yep, there's one behind this tree, and there's 2 right there. Nut hunting for venison, that is over. That expired January 17th. I'm looking for hog number 23 tonight, this evening. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, folks, I'll be right back. Hopefully hog number 23 decides to come out and play. If you like what you've seen so far, give me the thumbs up. I'll be right back. Well, good morning, folks. It is 7:30, Sunday, January 31st. I pulled an all-nighter looking for hog number 21, and that did not happen. I did not hunt at the new area this morning, or I want that area to be quiet, but there's been plenty of hogs showing up. I'm going to show the photos right here. So it's going to be perfect when Ray and I will do a hog hunt there. Leaving that area kind of quiet right now. They get used to it, and they've been showing up every day, so it's going to be good. Alright, folks, I'm going to hunt till about 8:30, and then I'll just head back home. Alright, I'll be right back. Hopefully hog 23 will show up. I did have some does and bucks earlier, but by the time I turned everything off, they left. So, alright, I'll be right back. Alright, folks, I'm going to end this video. It's 8 o'clock. I'm going to drive through my other feeders. I'm going to sneak up, see if I see any hogs. If I see something, I will actually turn this video back on and show you the kill. If not, there's my personal icon. Click on that if you're new. Subscribe today. I encourage you to check out these videos down here, and I will see you on the next video. Alright.